In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on Amazon. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a new gadget or a cozy pair of socks, knowing exactly where your package is can bring peace of mind, especially as deliveries work their way to your doorstep. Let's dive in step by step to help you stay informed about your orders. First, you'll need to head over to Amazon.com. This frequently visited website is buzzing with activity, and sometimes it's easy to overlook where you need to go next. Once you're at the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right hand corner of your screen, where you'll notice an option that says Account and Lists. Gently hover over this area, and you should see a drop down menu that's chock full of useful links and options. The next thing you want to do is click on the Sign In option. This is a crucial step because you'll need to access your personal account to view any order information. Go ahead and enter your email address into the provided field, then click on Continue. Following this, you'll be prompted to type in your password. After you've entered your password, click on Sign In to gain access to your account. Once signed in, you'll notice a menu labeled Returns and Orders. Give that a click. This is where you'll find a cohesive record of your recent purchases. Take a moment to browse through the list to identify the specific order you'd like to track today. Next to the item on your list, you should see a prominent button labeled either Track Package or Track Your Package. This is the magic button that will take you to the details you're looking to uncover. After clicking this button, you'll be redirected to the Progress Tracker page. This page is a goldmine of information about your package's journey. At the top of this page, you'll see the latest status update, which will inform you if your package is shipped, out for delivery, or beautifully marked as delivered. Below this update is the estimated delivery date and time window. This is particularly handy if you're trying to plan your day around the delivery. It provides a time frame so you're not left guessing or waiting around unnecessarily. For most packages delivered by Amazon, there's also an interactive map available. Though this feature is typically shown only when the Amazon delivery driver is nearby, it allows you to observe the package's route as it closes in on your location. This live map is an exciting addition for the particularly eager package trackers among us. And that's it. Now you're well equipped to stay informed about your Amazon orders. Be sure to keep this video saved for any future deliveries. Happy tracking, and until next time.